Imagine an AI that can read your mind, literally. Scientists have developed technology that decodes your thoughts using brain scans. No implants, no wires, just a machine and your brain activity. Here's how it works. Researchers place volunteers inside an fMRI scanner. While the subjects watch videos or imagine stories, the machine records brain patterns. Then, an AI model interprets these patterns and reconstructs what the person was seeing or thinking. In some cases, it's over 90% accurate. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now at institutions like the University of Texas and even Meta's AI research lab. These systems are trained on thousands of data points to match brain signals with concepts, images, and even entire sentences. The implications are wild. It could help people who can't speak. It could unlock hidden memories. But it also raises deep concerns. What if your private thoughts aren't private anymore? Could governments or corporations eventually read your mind without consent? This is just the beginning. Mind-reading machines are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They're here, and they're learning fast.